How to find your saved Google passwords. In this video, I'll show you how to find the passwords saved to your Google account using Google Password Manager. This is one of the easiest ways to view your saved login details without resetting your password. First, open Google Chrome or go to google.com in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, tap or click the three-dot menu, then open Settings and select Password Manager. For security, Google may ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, password, or screen lock. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites and apps with passwords saved to your Google account. Tap the account or website you want to view. Once verified, tap the eye icon to reveal the saved password. That's it! You've successfully accessed your saved passwords using Google Password Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, also make sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Google tips, Google Password Manager tutorials, password security guides, and easy tech how-to videos.